Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. I feel like I have a piece of hair on my lip. These sit down videos can be just wow, seriously. Yeah, I definitely have a bit of hair on that. I haven't done one of these like little sit down videos in a long time, so I am a little nervous. How? I don't know, but I am nervous. Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. So happy that you guys could join me for today's video. If you are new here and you don't know who this girl is, my name is Diamond Mine. Welcome to the channel. So today I won't be doing like any type of wig reviews. I won't be doing any type of vlogging, but I wanted to come on here and do like a video slash like review, show and tell, demo type of situation where I talking about my business. So for those of you who are unaware, me and Ariana recently launched a kids purse store. Before we get into it, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you have purchased anything from Ariana's Closet, I really appreciate it. Let's get into the backstory of how Ariana Closet came about. I was online one day just trying to find a purse to complete her look, and it was so hard to find the purse that I was looking for. Most of the purses that I saw was over characterized, meaning there was like so many characters on the purse it took away from the outfit. There was so many colors in the purse, or it was just too that's not her style. I get it, I understand that she is a child, so a lot of things is going to be created and marketed towards her by like characters and fun things, but I also feel like those things are temporary items. One thing that I have noticed from Ariana being a newborn up until this age is a lot of things that I bought when she was first born I only used a couple of times. Now that we're 2 years into this thing, I definitely realized that I spent a lot of money. I bought things that I necessarily didn't need. I bought things that I only used 1 or 2 times. It just wasn't a staple item that I felt like I got my money's worth. And that's what I felt like when I was looking at these over characterized purses. I felt like the purses was cute in that moment, but it wasn't going to grow with Ariana. And now that I'm a little bit more seasoned, if you will, with parenthood, I'm more so into just purchasing items that I feel like is going to be able to grow with me and Ariana, and I'm going to be able to get a lot more usage out of the product. Now, I went to stores, I went online, I reached out to people, and nobody really had what I was looking for. After weeks of research, months of trying out different purses, I finally decided on 3 different purses, which is also 3 different collections with Ariana's Closet. So that's a little bit of background information on Ariana's Closet and how we got started. When you purchase a product from Ariana's Closet, I don't only want you to just purchase a product, I also want you to have an experience. I say that because I know how I feel when I purchase an item that I just fell in love with online. When I receive products in the mail, I am just really big on packaging, details onto how that package was secured, and just, you know, examining the product to see how much love was put into the product before it was actually shipped to me. I don't want this to be like your normal kid unboxing type of situation where you go in with your box cutter, you open the box, you pull the product out, and you know, you throw the rest of it away and you just do whatever you do. I don't want it to be like that, and that's why I put so much time and thought into Ariana's Closet packaging, her logo, her products. Just it was a lot of thinking that went into everything that you guys will experience when you purchase a product from Ariana's Closet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the demo for Ariana's Closet. So here is the packaging for Ariana's Closet. Super cute box, sturdy. This is her logo, by the way. Talia Designs did her logo, which I'll post her Instagram information below. She's fantastic, amazing. Love her work, love how professional she was. When you order any one purse, you will get your purse in this box. Now let's just say you really love the girls and you want to support, and you have purchased one purse and you want to come back and you want to purchase more for your little princess, other princesses, then I got you. Your purses will actually come in a bigger box like this. Hold on. And the reason why I wanted to do like these sturdy, heavy duty, hard to bend boxes is because there's so many times that I have ordered stuff offline, and by the time it gets to me, the box is all beat up. The product inside of it is probably crushed. It's just what happens when you are shipping products, you know, to different states and different regions and things like that. So naturally it's just going to happen. But like I said, I want you to have a very pleasant, nice unboxing experience. So I definitely made sure I put in the time and the thought when it came to packaging the purses from Ariana's closet. And I also bubble wrap these boxes as well, just to try my best to make sure you receive a damage-free box. So, the first thing I'm going to talk about is the first purse that Ariana ever wore and fell in love with it. So this is how I knew the pieces that I selected for the collection was a winner, because when I had her try them on and model in them, and I had her wear these purses for hours, by the way, just to see if they were going to get in her way, if they were just too big or too small for her body frame, if the length on them was correct, if she was going to play with them, if it was going to break, just all types of stuff, because I know that I'm dealing with a very active 2-year-old. So any product that I am bringing to you guys, I definitely wanted to give out a good test run. This little cute purse is the mini trendsetter. Now it does come in several different colors, so again, make sure you check out that description bar because it'll have the direct link, and then you can also see some cute little babies modeling these purses on our social media. So this is the mini trendsetter. Cute little purse. And again, these purses will grow with your baby, and there's so many different ways that you can wear these purses. You can at least get 4 different looks when wearing these purses, and I'll make sure I insert some pictures of Ari wearing these. So I'm going to insert like a little clip so that you guys can see a more close-up of the purse. So it does come with 2 little straps here and a buckle, and this is a nude color, by the way. And then it comes with the silver hardware. And also, guys, for quality control, before I ship out any products, I make sure I do a thorough inspection of each purse to make sure it's stain free, to make sure there is no scratches, no scuffs before I ship them out, because the last thing I honestly want to happen is you order a purse and it arrives damaged. Like, who wants that? Who has time for that? This does have a top handle, so you can wear this purse just as a arm purse, or your little princess can wear it just like as a little tote. Super cute. Then again, it also comes with these little straps that you can attach to the bag. Now I have on fingernails, so let's see if I can get it. Okay, so it attaches to the bag like so. And now the chain on all of the bags are on the long side, and I wanted the chains to be long because, again, I want these purses to grow with your little princess. There's so many different ways you could wear this purse. You can wear it on the wrist, you can wear it as a little tote, you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a shoulder. You can also wear this as a fanny pack. Yes! If you discover another way for your little princess to wear our collection, please tag us. That was one of the questions that I got too, is like, how big is the inside? What can fit in it? Now keep in mind, these purses are for toddlers and babies. This particular bag is smaller than the other ones, but with this particular bag, I would have like maybe a snack, a little small juice box, her pacifier, just something that she normally would have, but you definitely can get creative and put a lot of different things in here. Okay, and the next one is the Mini Diva collection. The name goes so well with this purse. Let me tell you guys a quick little backstory on this purse. So when I was trying out this collection, Ariana was getting ready to go to a graduation, and when she put on her purse and she walked around and she was posing in the mirror, oh my God, that hurt. And she was posing in the mirror, instantly in my head, diva. She had a very much diva moment, and that is how I came up with the name of Mini Diva. This one comes with a little gold lock. Now this one has the gold hardware. The Mini Trendsetter has the silver hardware. I fell in love with this bag, number one, because of the gold hardware. And so this is what the inside looks like. So it's a lot bigger than the Mini Trendsetter collection. Now also, guys, one thing that I want to mention real quick about all of these purses is these purses are easy to wipe down and keep clean. That was another thing that I was keeping in mind when I was choosing the collection, is I wanted something that was definitely kid friendly. One thing about the Mini Diva collection is it has an adjustable strap. None of the other bags have an adjustable strap. The Mini Trendsetter has a detachable strap, but it is not adjustable. With this bag, it comes with two clamps here, and I like this because this is going to help you get that perfect length that you need for your child. So Ariana honestly is quite tall for her age. She's above average with her height. I like that this particular collection has an adjustable strap where I can adjust the strap to accommodate her height and the look that I am going for. You can wear it just like all the other purses. You can double it up. You can single. You can wear it as crossbody. You can wear it as a shoulder. You can wear it as a tote as well. You can also wear it as a fanny pack. You can also wear it as a clutch. I mean, like, the styling on these bags are endless, guys. Here's just a close-up of the gold hardware for the Mini Diva collection. These purses come in different colors, so definitely make sure you check out that website. All right, and the last one, which is my favorite. This one is the Mini Fashionista. I love this purse. It reminds me so much of my Chanel boy bag. It is such a cute bag. Also, guys, these bags do stand up, so you don't have to worry about them falling over or, you know, just not having any structure. Mini Fashionista also comes with the gold hardware. I don't even know if the camera is picking up the actual true color of this bag. This is such a beautiful bag. This blue is so popular. I have actually sewn out twice on this bag since we have launched. Like, that's just how beautiful this bag is. And you can wear it the same ways that I was just talking about in all the other collections. Now this one is a little bigger. It's not too much bigger than the Mini Diva collection. This one has the gold hardware. Now this one, honestly, the chain on this one is a little bit more heavier. It's a little bit more thicker. I don't know if you guys can see that, compared to the Mini Diva collection. So at the beginning, I used to have her wear this as a double strap for a crossbody, but since she has gotten taller since we first tried these bags out, I now actually have to use the single way, and I just put like a small knot in the back to get the perfect length. Like I said, these bags can definitely grow with your baby. I definitely kept that in mind when I was selecting these purses and the length of the chains for these purses. So So cute, guys. The quality is amazing. And so these are the 3 collections to Ariana's closet. Again, there are several different colors to choose from. Please go to our website to check out all the fabulous, bright, vibrant, fun, happy colors that is available for your little princess. Also, if you have purchased a purse or you're going to purchase a purse, please snap a picture, tag it, and share it. Thank you so much for supporting us and watching today's video. If you have any questions that I did not answer in today's video, you know the drill. Come on now, you know the drill. Leave a comment below in the comment section and I will make sure I answer your questions. So thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.